we ensured a better boating experience at Mercury Marine.
It's offering a boating experience for every customer, providing them that opportunity to enjoy their day on the water. The most innovative product that we have launched is our new 600 horsepower V12 outboard engine.
On this V12, we saved cost, we got done faster, and we were able to justify some innovative things with simulation. Whatever we do on physical tests, we've actually checked it to more extreme digitally with these computational models. We push our product harder digitally than the physical testing and validation that we do. We're simulating the thrust of the propellers, the flow past the gear case, how the boat is responding to that. So we'll very quickly end up with a whole suite of simulations. A huge thing that we can do with burst capability in our systems is we can take and ship those and run them concurrently and just get numbers back that much quicker. They certainly really help make cloud computing and burst type workloads a pervasive and very available thing. There's always a desire to go faster and get more powerful in these simulations. By doing a good job of making sure our system is efficient, we can hit targets that will assure that the customer is happy with the product. It is important to have a cost-efficient system. The less time we spend on something, the less cost is associated with it. Wanted to make sure we had a partner, not just a service. They've been a tremendous tech partner for us on making sure that we've got the computational power available when needed.